Today is another episode of cooking series. Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Oluwatunseyi. I make videos on healthy meal recipes you can make at home. If that sounds like what you're interested in, consider subscribing so you don't miss out from any video I upload. Also, smash the notification bell icon and click all to get notified each time I post a video. Now to the video of the day. I will show you 2 easy ways to make pounded yam without pounding. Step 1. Peel the yam and cut into small pieces for 2 reasons. 1. To make the boiling or cooking faster, and 2. To make the processing easier. Ensure you slice the yam into already prepared lukewarm water as you peel so that the yam does not change its fine white color to red, brown, or some other color. Well, there is an enzyme present in yams that is responsible for this change in color. I mean this discoloration on exposure to air, that is oxygen. So to avoid this discoloration, you just peel and slice directly into water as I've mentioned earlier. Once the slicing is done, wash the yam, change the water as many times possible until the water is clean. Put everything into your pot and pour water that is enough to cover the yam. Cover the pot and boil for 15 minutes. The time of boiling is dependent on the type of yam and the size of the slices. Use a perforated spoon to scoop the yam from the pot into a bowl. While checking if the yam is well cooked, you can dip your spoon, fork or knife into the yam just to ascertain that the yam is soft enough for processing into pounded yam. Method 1. Get your food processor and then transfer into the processor. Turn on the processor and let the processing begin. Make sure all these are done quickly so that the yam won't get cold. The yam will determine if you are going to add water. If you are adding water at all, make sure the water is hot, preferably the water used in boiling the yam. Ensure you control the water you add to it so that it doesn't get too much. Let's move on to method 2. Get your blender. Put a portion of the boiled yam into the blender and blend. Also, the softness of the yam will determine if you will add water or not. The next thing is to use your spatula dipped in water to smoothen it or wrap in a foil paper. That's all. And that is how easy it is to make your pounded yam in a processor and in a blender without stress. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, share to friends and families, and I will see you in the next video. Stay safe, stay blessed. Bye.